In this video, I want to show you how to delete attribute table fields in Global Mapper. So let's go to Global Mapper. So to demonstrate this exercise, I'll click on Open Data to bring in data I want to use. Let me use this very shapefile. Select it and click on Open. Yes, I have this shapefile. Now to edit or delete field from attribute table of this very layer, right click the layer and you come to edit attributes. When you click on it, it will open the attributes of this very layer. You can see I have a lot of attributes in this layer. If for one reason or the other you want to delete any of this field, to do it in Global Mapper, move your cursor to the top of the field you want to delete. For example, let's assume I want to delete this very layer. So what I will do, I will right click at the name of the field, just like this, right click, and you will see the option to delete. So click on delete. It will bring this tip. Are you sure you want to delete this very particular field from all the features in the grid? Click yes. You can see that it has been deleted and it has been updated. So you can click on OK. Then if you want to delete more, just right click on the field and click on delete. Then click on yes to confirm your decision and it will be deleted. After you have done that, you have to save the edits you have made to the attribute table. So in summary, this is how to delete any field in the attribute table of any layer in Global Mapper. Thank you for watching.